Ever found yourself staring blankly at a gas pump wondering if your DoorDash virtual card will actually work? Let's break it down. First, locate your DoorDash Dasher Direct virtual card in the Dasher Direct app. Make sure it's active and showing a sufficient balance to cover your gas purchase. At the gas pump, select the credit or debit option. Ignore the prompts for entering your physical card. Now, carefully enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and the CVV code exactly as it appears in the Dasher Direct app. Double-check each digit to avoid errors. The pump will likely ask for your zip code. Use the zip code associated with your Dasher Direct account. This is crucial for the transaction to go through. If all the information is correct, the transaction should be approved. You can then select your desired fuel grade and begin pumping gas. Now, here's the catch. Not all gas stations are compatible with virtual cards. The pump some require you to pay inside with the cashier. If the pump declines your virtual card, head inside and pay the cashier directly using the same virtual card information. Keep in mind, if your virtual card consistently fails, consider carrying a backup payment method like cash or a personal credit card. Remember to track your gas expenses, as they may be tax deductible. Drive safe and dash smart.